I know I roll, 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 roll. I know I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll. No drip. I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll. I know I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and today our recipe is seafood okra stew. As you can see, I have here my mackerel, my tilapia, my crabs, my cuttlefish, my prawns. You know what time it is. It's about to go down. Now first of all, we got to make sure that you wash your proteins really well. Wash it really well, because it's a lot of potent smell coming out of this joint, and you don't know what time it is. So once everything is clean, what we're gonna do is cut them up, and I got me here my prawns and my cuttlefish, and I'm gonna rinse it with some lemon juice to make sure that potent smell is reduced as much as possible. We're gonna do the same for our tilapia and the rest of the fishes. Now that I'm done rinsing the proteins and making sure that everything is clean, it's seasoning time, all right? And I always go with my go-to seasonings, which is gonna be the Badia seasoning, the all-purpose seasoning, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, my garlic powder, and my ginger powder, and then some salt. You'll know what time it is. And right after seasoning, what I'm gonna do is let it sit and marinate for some time. With my cuttlefish and the prawns, I'm not gonna over season them. It's just gonna be simple. The Badia seasoning, ginger powder, and some salt. In here is my palm oil, and I'm gonna throw in some stinky fish and salted dry herrings. And I'm gonna keep stirring and then adding some onions. You'll know what time it is. If you've stayed on this channel for a while, you will know my love for onions. After stirring for 5 minutes, I'm going to throw in my tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. We're going to keep stirring for like 5 minutes. And adding some crabs. You'll know. After that, what you want to do is just cover it and let it simmer. And what we're going to do now is blend onions and pepper and then add it. Right after that, we're going to throw in our cuttlefish. I'm going to keep stirring for another 5 minutes, and now it's time to season it. Now I'm not going to over season this stew, all right, because fishes are well seasoned. So in goes my curry powder, Badia seasoning, and Adobo all-purpose, and that's it. I'm not gonna add salt because initially I added in the stinky fish and the salted herrings, and those are very salty, so no need for salt at all. With all that going on, I cooked my okra on the side, and here comes my frozen spinach. We're gonna leave the okra and the spinach to cook, and here comes my prawns. Once the okra and spinach is done cooking, what you want to do is incorporate it in the stew. Give it a stir to make sure that it's all mixed well, and incorporate the rest of the fishes. I added the fishes late because fish don't take long to cook. Added in some freshly sliced onions for the extra crunch. Y'all know what time it is. It's about to go down. At this stage, you're basically done. All you gotta do is serve and eat. Now you can eat this stew with banku, kenke. Even some eat it with rice, kokonte, whatever floats your boat. All right, I had mine with banku. You'll know what time it is. Subscribe to the channel, share, comment, peace.